everyone! Welcome to SMDC Gold Residences. Kasama natin si Sir Will.
Hello.
Nakisakay tayo. Pupunta tayo sa construction site ni Gold Residences.
Subscribe to his channel ni Mel.
Yes. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mel Property Investment. So ngayon nandito na tayo sa construction site ng Gold Residences. So samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Aakyat naman tayo guys sa roof deck ngayon. Kasama natin si engineer. Ingat-ingat lang tayo. Yan, kita nyo na dito ang runway. Sobrang ganda ng project ni Gold, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. As you can see, guys, that is the NAIA Terminal 1. And nandito tayo ngayon sa roof deck ni Gold Residences. So, imagine, guys. Let's take a look sa scale model ni Gold Residences. So as you can see, located siya sa Ninoy Aquino Avenue. Ayan. So nandito tayo ngayon, which is sa kanyang showroom. Sa likod naman niya, makikita mo na yung phase 1. And then this one naman is the residential and office. So, kung makikita nyo din, kada pagitan ng buildings, nandyan yung mga swimming pools. Basketball court and then the utilities. If you want to know more about details kay Gold Residences, just contact me or comment down below and let's discuss about this project. So once again guys, dito ko na po tatapusin yung vlog ko. This is Mel Property Investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for more updates and more promos of SMDC. Bye!